hurts so bad. Just to like stand up and move. It shouldn't hurt. So my heart's beating so hard. Dizzy right now. It's ridiculous. This I was supposed to put inside of an 8x10 frame or something. Put it in a frame. So that was just a little sample of real life, slow motion, just kind of trying to get this dining room clean, just trying to have some control over my life because I was in pain and I needed to get something done. So I just worked through the pain and did what I could, and I'm glad that I did because I felt good afterward and I didn't push myself too hard. I went nice and slow and I got it done. Off camera, I was able to clear off this counter, so that made me feel really good. That's much better to me. The rest of the kitchen, it's decent. It's not a complete disaster, it's a win in my book. Alright, so here's the dining room. So it's the next day and I am going to tackle this laundry room. Oh my goodness, this was the worst I have ever had this laundry room. It was just so backed up. Actually, I don't know if that was if that's the truth. I think the laundry room has been pretty bad before, but it just seemed so anxiety driving. It was just really stressing me out, but I was just wanting to get things done, and so I just did, a little bit each day. The day before, I could barely do anything, and all I did was the dining room, a little bit of the countertop, and the dishes. I think at this point I washed, dried, folded, and put at the bottom of the stairs 4 loads of laundry, and there's still more to do. So Shane has been making a lot of progress while I was just trying to get, normal things like dishes and laundry done. And this is the construction zone. There's the toilet in the hallway. And look, he patched up all the drywall that was missing on the bottom that got soaked with water and put in the new vanity with all the plumbing and the faucet. That faucet came from our Wayfair cabinet that's in my master bathroom. We actually got 2 of those. They were taped to the inside of our vanity and we didn't need them, so we had them in our garage for a while. And so we decided to go ahead and use this one because we told them that they gave us these extra faucets and they said just keep them. So we did. It looks so much better. He took the door off of the bathroom so that it was easier to get the vanity in. It's hard, it's progress. It's hard to look at all this chaos, but I know that we're making progress. And things have to look messy before they end up looking great when it comes to home construction. But, it's hard for me to see all of this, but that makes me happy to see all the beautiful steam coming out from the dishwasher because it was freezing cold in our house. In the next video, I'm going to be tackling my bedroom and my bathroom and my closet. My closet is a nightmare, but we're gonna get it done. I'm excited. I'm excited to get my house back to normal again. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell, and that will tell you when my next video posts. I will be posting every Saturday. On my other channel, Life After 40, I will be posting this same video on Saturdays, and then on Tuesdays I will be doing more of the health and wellness portions of my life on my Life After 40 channel on Tuesdays. If you're new, let me explain. I have two channels. I have Joanne Hope's Life After 40, and then I have Joanne Hope's Life at Home. Life After 40 is my original channel, and it became very viral with my hair loss journey. And because of the viral videos, the YouTube algorithm will not push anything else except for my hair videos. So I opened up a new channel so that I can do my life at home type videos on a separate channel. And then I'm still gonna post my home videos on the Life After 40 channel on Saturdays, but then on Tuesdays I'm going to do content that is more health and wellness videos. So if you are interested in my hair loss journey and more details of my health and wellness, you can go over to my Joanne Hope's Life After 40 channel. But if you just want to see my life at home type of videos, then you would want to subscribe to the Life at Home channel. Stay tuned for part 3, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!